Can't play any games on Roblox due to error code 403? Hey there folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix error code 403 on Roblox on your computer. So let's get started without any delay. Solution 1. First, uninstall and reinstall Roblox on your computer. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings. Click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now, to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now, this window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Wait for it to finish, then open it up and see if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the error is still there, delete Roblox cache file from your computer. To do this, type run in the search bar here and open it up. Then type %local app data % here. Don't worry, I'll leave this in the video description below. After typing this in, just hit enter. Now, File Explorer will pop up. Scroll down a little and find the Roblox folder and delete it. Now open up Roblox and check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If the error is still there, turn off your VPN if you have it on. To do this, just open up Settings. Then click on Network and Internet, then on VPN. Then click on Disconnect if you're connected to a VPN. After this, you should be able to play any games on Roblox. So folks, that's how you solve the 403 error in Roblox on your computer. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching!